Okay, the battery is at 25%. Let's open the Xcode. Let's open a project. Okay, there you go. There you go. Now you can see I'm pressing this and it's not working. Press this, display is still off, and it will take some time and it will just come back. Display will turn on again. Nope, not yet. Yeah, there you go. So that's how bad the situation of this laptop is. Let me press command and build, and it's building. As you can see, it's still building. And there you go, it again turns off the display. Now when I will press the run button, it will again turn off the display, okay, while opening the simulator. So it does the same things while opening Android Studio, building projects of Android. I don't know why this keeps on happening, but it shouldn't be happening. So there you go, this was the video. Thank you.